Good morning, everyone. How are you? Um, in preparation for look at these funky shape. That's not a cherry tomato. That's like I don't even know what that is. Anyway, in preparation for tomorrow's live stream, we're going to talk a lot about gardening. I would really like to talk a lot about gardening. So, you guys know I have containers because planting anything in the ground here is just like you might as well just offer your vegetables up to the pack rats. Anyway, here we go. um please, this here, that's my basil. This is like my one sage that's left. It's really long. This one kind of died. Yeah, herbs really out here haven't done the best. That's a new basil. I never did anything with that. I need to. Here's the thing. See this tomato plant? See that tomato plant? See those tomatoes? See, they were all planted from seed at the same time. Same time. Yeah, I have no idea. So anyway, we're going to talk about gardening tomorrow morning in my live stream. We will talk about the fact that the onions really never grew. And from my understanding, I think they need to be in the ground. The basil is amazing out here, but it does keep getting just taller and taller. So I don't know. What else did I lose? Oh, I lost all the cilantro. This was the tier for the cilantro. I lost all that. This is the dill. The dill's been amazing. So that grows really well. That's great. So I lost the cilantro. I lost the sage. I lost a lot of my herbs. I did. They just have not done well. There's a sage. Oh, and there's a sage. Okay, so we need to talk about the herbs. We need to talk about the onions. We are not talking about rocks. Although, never mind, we could. Anyway, here's the zucchini. They're blooming again. We're going to talk about them. Not too much. They're doing well. I've lost 2 of them. We really need to talk about the bell peppers because they had blooms on them and the blooms fell off and never turned into a pepper. And now they're just growing and they're not doing anything. The marigolds are nice. I would like to have conversations about the vegetables. Those are bell peppers that got eaten down to nothing, and I saved them and they're growing back. But the bell peppers aren't producing. That's the issue. Not producing. People said I needed potassium and phosphorus, which I added, and it still didn't help. The reason you're seeing everything under netting is because between the moths that leave caterpillars and the lizards, I have to, the birds, I have to have everything under netting. So anyway, yeah, this marigold looks like it's just taken over the pepper plant. So tomorrow I'd like to talk about gardening and container gardening specifically. And I think I overwatered because I've never in my life seen marigolds get that tall. So I think that's my issue. There's a nice Roma tomato in there. I don't know if that's ever going to do anything. And these are more pepper plants. So yeah, prepare yourselves for tomorrow. Really like to have a good, long, wonderful, awesome sitting outside. Let's kind of check out the plants and see if we can figure out what happened. I haven't given up. I have not stopped watering. However, I'm still frustrated with the gardening stuff. So, container gardening is just not easy. I should take that weight off of there. Anyway, be prepared for tomorrow, Tuesday, gardening discussion live stream, sunrise with, our normal, there's that tree, our stuff and things that we have discussions about, but just get prepared for the gardening conversation because really like to have one. Oh, there's some sunshine. Yeah, I'd like to have that tomorrow morning. I hope you guys have a great day. I really do. Have a blessed Monday. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye, everyone.